Hi everybody, it's Mary Beth
and Jan,
and we're here today to talk about volcanoes.
Hi friends, it's Jan from Early On. I am going to show you how to make a volcano erupt. And the ingredients you need are baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a couple of scoops of baking soda in the top of the volcano. We'll try 2. 1, 2. And now we're going to add 3 drops of red food coloring, but you can use any color you want. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here goes the special solution of vinegar. Let's see what happens. Whoa! The volcano is erupting. Isn't that cool? Ooh, here we go. Now I know you guys don't have a volcano like this at home, so we're going to show you 2 other ways that you can use a volcano with things around the house.
Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how to make a really simple snack, a strawberry volcano. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure my hands are really clean. Get that done. Okay, so you need 3 things for this. You're going to need a container of strawberries, you're going to need some popcorn, and you're going to need some yummy chocolate chips. So I'm going to choose the biggest strawberry. Now if it's not flat on the bottom, you can cut it off, but this one's pretty flat. So you're going to take your chocolate chips and melt them. There. I'm going to put the strawberry in. This is going to be the mud at the top of the volcano, all the ash coming out. There it is. I'm going to put it on the plate, and here comes the explosion at the top. Your piece of popcorn. Yummy. Enjoy your strawberry volcano.
Okay friends, now we're going to make a volcano with things that you can find around the house. We have a good old toilet paper roll and tin foil. That's all you need. So I took a piece of tin foil, and you can't see, but I cut a little hole in the middle, and I'm going to put it over the top of the toilet paper roll. And there's my volcano. Now if I were to pour the vinegar in the middle, it wouldn't go anywhere. So now I'm going to make a little, kind of like a little cup to put down the middle. So I'm just going to squish a little piece like this, and stick it in the middle. Oh, and I just put a hole in it. So now I'm going to do it again. Make like a small piece, and I'm going to stick it down the middle. I'm going to fold it over, and voila! We have made a volcano. And if you want to get creative and put stickers on it, you can do that too. So this time I'm going to add, let me see, 2 scoops again. 1, ooh, maybe 1 1/2. But this time I'm going to put my food coloring in my vinegar. I'm going to just give it a good squeeze so that it turns red. It's all mixed up in there. Well, it's starting to get mixed up. See, it's falling to the bottom. And now we're going to pour it in and see what happens. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at all the lava coming out of there. Woo. You can add more soda if you want and make it go again. Or if you want to add other food coloring, you can add some green in there and see what happens. Pour some more vinegar. Woo. And that's fun with a volcano with things around the house.
Big volcano, getting hot, getting hot. Now the lava's coming, now the lava's coming out the top, out the top.
Okay friends, for our volcano craft, we're going to do some painting. So I have brown paint, reddish pinky paint, and yellow paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the bottom of my volcano with my brown paint. I'm going to make just a big brown mound of paint. Go around. base of my volcano. Now here comes the fun part. I'm going to take red and paint one hand. Ooh, it's so cold, but it feels so nice. And then I'm going to take yellow and paint my other hand. Ooh, so now I have yellow and red. Here's the fun part. You get your hands all mucky and then you make the lava coming out of the top of the volcano. And there's my erupting volcano that's made with my paint. Hope you enjoy it, friends.
Hey friends, I'm outside and we're going to do a winter volcano with snow. So I found a bunch of snow here and I'm going to prop it up like this. I brought out a little cup to put our solution in. So I'm going to put it in the top. Put all the snow around it. Ooh, it's nice and chilly out. I'm going to get some more snow and put it on the sides. The snow's a little hard today. It's not as tacky as it was the other day. There's my volcano. Now I'm going to have to take my mittens off. I'm going to put my baking soda in the cup. Woo! 3 big scoops this time. Maybe 4. And then I've got my vinegar. I'm going to put the red food coloring in the vinegar. Okay. Let's see if we can erupt some solution on the snow. Here we go. Woo, look at that. More. Whoa, my volcano's going all the way down the sides of the snowbank. There you go. So we showed you 2 ways, and you can also use Play-Doh or kinetic sand. Be creative and look around the house and see what you can make your volcano out. Bye, guys.